All right, welcome back. American Roulette, 21 numbers in 12 minutes. Doing something a little different today. We're not spinning the wheel this way, and we're not spinning the ball that way. We're changing it up. Left-handed roulette. Not real good at it, but we're going to give it a shot. From double zeros, it'll get better. Pick a number. Oh, backwards? 12. I don't know. I received a comment that the left-handed tables, what's going to be? 35. Nowhere near. So I got to grab the ball, get it, spin it from there. 35, that's a lot of chatter. So let me get the card. Do my numbers work when everything's going the wrong way? I was practicing, playing around. Some do, some don't. I'm going to try to keep tracking. We're going to make something happen here. I don't know. 11 after 35. That's no. Absolutely not. So I got to get the ball, and off we go. 11. We'll get there. 36. 11. The ones, 1, 21, 31. Double digits. 33 is not even on my list going the right way. Watch me get a 33 going this way. There went 33. Not going to happen today. The 3? Absolutely not. Wow. Okay. They shouldn't work. They really shouldn't work. Because the math, the ball spinning, yeah. 3. This might be the video where I don't hit a single one. Let's see. Oh, excuse me, I'm bound to hit zeros. Come on. That's almost like cheating. Is there a 16? Nope. Oh, I got to grab further out and get ready and go. 16. All right. So I refuse to play on a left-handed roulette wheel. Will not do it. Just that's how it works. There'll be a regular right-handed roulette. The guy spins the ball with his right hand is a right-handed roulette. Do I have a 30? Nope. That's when he spins it with his left hand, the wheel's on the other side. The dealer stands on the other side and shoots the ball. If there's the casinos I go to, the one doesn't even have a left-handed wheel. The one, and if I go to a different one, they have a couple of them. And I just won't play on it. That's all there is to it. 13. Do I get a 13 after 30? Yes, we're playing we're in the threes. Look at this. Perfect. 13. And I finally get a chip. I don't have any lists of numbers generated from this. These numbers here, I've spent a lot of time going this way with the ball, not that way. What comes out after 13? 29. Look at that. Look at me go. What's next to it? 12 is right next to it. See, that's why that's there. 29 is a winner. Look at that. 29. I get another chip. Amazing. 29. Favorite number from 29? Would have to 30. Over and under. 30, 29, 29, 30. 25. Lost. It happens. 25. here's my card. There you go. So this is ass backwards roulette, I call it. I know I shouldn't call it that, but 25, 24. Oh, it bounced out of 20. Oh, look. Ah, haha. Yes. Green on the board, double zeros. Outstanding. Got another chip. Oh, zeros, double zeros. You know these numbers. 5, 10, 16, 17, 18, 27. See if I can get one of these. Please, just, wow, it's taking forever. 16. Winner. 16, that number is the first 10 numbers. I just won 2 in a row. And 16, let me get the, I'm sorry, trying to, 13 after 16 is the all-time favorite. 15 is right up with it there too. I like 15 after 16, why I don't know. Oh, stop. All right, that number's 14 and don't have it. I'm not surprised. Favorite after 14, 18. 11, watch this 11 jump over. Watch this. Ha. There. No. 26. Nope. 26 is that number. 26. So I'll make a couple of these every once in a while. I know they're out there. Hopefully you're not stuck with a casino that only has left-handed wheels, which is a crime, in my opinion. 23 is the all-time favorite. 32. I just said 23 and 32 came out. Of course it did. 32. 32. Getting away. Gotta win something. I've only got 4 of them. And I didn't even bet on the first one. Thank goodness. 32, get the flip-flop. Please. 23. Backwards. 24. I don't have it. 24. 24. 24. 28, the all-time favorite. Gotta get this one. Or 34. Or 12. Half of 24. Where's 12? Right? Not going to be 12. It's going to be... Are you kidding me? Just rolled right past 14 and 0 and 2 to land at 35, which I don't have. Yeah. I know my opinion on all this is, you know what they say with them. Yeah. 8, all-time favorite. Let's go. If you watch my videos, yeah, 30. Oh, look. Yeah, evidently. 33. 33, I got a winner. 33. If you watch my videos, you know these numbers. 33, what did I say? Yeah. 7 and 1. The old system. 33. 30. What's it going to be? 29. Nope. 29. I'm getting good at that now, by the way. Oh, look at that. It just jumped. Ah, ha. Oh, my. All right. Well, that's interesting. It jumped the hole when I was trying to make that European video with the little card shoved in there. The 8 did it right here. What's the number? 23 after 29? Yep, that's a loser. Where's the ball? It just went by. I didn't even see it. Here we go. 23. 23 was that number. Did not have it. So what I was trying to say, if you use these numbers here on a left-handed roulette wheel, I wouldn't recommend it. And by the way, there's another thing that's been really bugging me. 21. No, not 21. Oh, I didn't pull the trigger. Back into 21. Do I really need a disclaimer on my videos? Do I need to wave a card up here? Gambling is bad for you, or well, I don't know. I'd have to look it up. If you don't have the money to lose, don't go gambling. There's my disclaimer. How's that? 12. 8. Come on. Damn. That number's 8. Get it. Got it. Good. 8. That goes away. Thanks for watching. I know this video is not for everybody. Thanks for subscribing. Push that like button. Shoot me a comment. Let's see. 8. How about 35 after 8? Finish this one off. If I hit this, we're going into extra innings. What's it going to be? 29. Well, oh boy. Really? 29? No. There you have it. 29 is the last number of the day. I hope somebody, well, I wouldn't play on a left-handed roulette wheel with my numbers. Please don't. And I have the disclaimer to prove it. Keep your eye on the ball. Until next time.